What if you could start an online business with no experience, no code, and still make $1,000 per month? That's exactly what AI tools are making possible right now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step plan to launch your first AI-powered side hustle using free or cheap tools. It's the same system used by freelancers, content creators, and solopreneurs to earn thousands monthly. Let's get started. First, let's talk mindset. The reason most people never start is that they think they need to be technical, or that it's too late to jump in. The truth is, AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to know how to ask the right questions and connect the right tools. Here's the formula we'll follow. Pick a niche, solve a problem, use AI to automate it, and sell it as a product or service. Let's walk through each step. Step 1. Pick a niche with money in it. You're looking for problems people already pay to solve, not new ideas. Here are a few proven ones. Lead generation for agencies, realtors, or B2B businesses. Blog posts or content creation for e-commerce or SEO clients. Appointment setting for doctors, consultants, or coaches. Social media caption writing or video scripts. These are all services people pay hundreds for, and you can deliver them faster using AI. Step 2. Pick your AI tool stack, the simplest stack that works today. ChatGPT to generate content, Grammarly or Notion AI to polish it, Bardeen or Browserflow to scrape or collect data, Zapier or Make.com to automate delivery bonus tools, Eleven Labs for voiceovers, Pictory or CapCut for faceless videos. Step 3. Build your first system. Let's say you're offering lead generation. Use Bardeen to scrape leads from Google Maps, LinkedIn, or Yelp. Clean up the data in Google Sheets. Write email scripts using ChatGPT. Use Zapier to email them automatically, or to export into a dashboard. You now have a lead machine. The same goes for content. Use ChatGPT to write articles. Use Notion AI to format them. Use Make.com to deliver weekly posts to your client's email. Step 4. Get your first client. Go on Fiverr or Upwork. Post in Facebook groups or Reddit communities. Offer your AI service and give a free sample if needed, or go direct. Email a business with a demo of what you built. Don't overthink pricing. Start at $200, $300 per month. Close 5 clients, and you're at $1,000, $1,500 a month. Once you have one offer that works, productize it. Create a Notion template, dashboard, or automation kit. Sell it on Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy. Now you're no longer selling time. You're selling scalable products. Step 5. Automate and scale. Use Make.com to schedule delivery, reminders, or onboarding emails. Record Loom videos to train virtual assistants. Chain everything together with Agent Dud, if needed. The goal. Get your side hustle to run with as little input as possible. Here's your recap. Pick a niche with money. Use AI to automate the service. Deliver fast. Get paid monthly. You don't need to quit your job. You just need one working system. AI is the leverage. Automation is the multiplier. If you want the free Notion dashboard to set this up, comment Ayudo below. Like and subscribe if you want more videos on building faceless income streams using AI. Let's build it together.